Learn sentences in English with the phrase I like. I like you.
I like you.
I really like you.
I really like you.
I like going to the beach.
I like going to the beach.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
I like to go shopping.
I like to go shopping.
I like to travel.
I like to travel.
I like pets.
I like pets.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
Do you like this house?
Yes, I like it.
I like math.
I like math.
I like it.
I like it.
I like that.
I like that.
I like her.
I like her.
I like him.
I like him.
I like to learn English.
I like to learn English.
I like to go out with my friend.
I like to go out with my friend.
I like to play video games.
I like to play video games.
I like making new friends.
I like making new friends.
That's the kind of news I like to hear.
That's the kind of news I like to hear.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.